Hey everyone, Kevin from Amdahl here, and today we're going to talk about part 4 in our series on background noise. And today, specifically, we're going to look at, now that we know what background noise is, we know we have a problem, how do we go about fixing it? And the answer is going to be a little bit surprising for some folks because it's not about all of the fancy parts, pieces, and processes that can be involved in today's new hearing aids. Now, those are going to come down the road, but today specifically, let's talk about fixing the hearing loss. Yep, what we want to do is we want to treat that hearing loss so that people can hear really well in quiet situations. Now, that doesn't mean just setting it to manufacturer's best fit. It means measuring it. It means going out into the real world and making sure everything works, because only with a hearing aid that's working in all situations, starting with quiet and it's working perfectly, can you have any hope of hearing in noise. Next time we'll be going over some of the advanced features. I hope this was informative to you, and I'll see you real soon.